Hi guys. So I would like to introduce you guys this new game. This is Star Sailors like Come to Us. Okay. Been playing this game like today. I just downloaded it today. Then it's already like 6 hours that I'm playing this one. What is this? Oh. So as you can see, I'm already level 11. So the good thing about this game is I already got the character that I wanted. This Nina. She's really good girl. She's very powerful, and she's a single attack um character wherein she can get or she can hit a critical just one hit, or she can one hit monsters. So she's good for bosses. And this one, this is like the tanker type. She is really good as well. She can attack and she can give swaps. But this one I also wanted to build this person because he gives a critical buff, so I really need him for Lina. So yeah, as you can see here, been playing this like 6 hours, but come to us that yeah, this is Underwood that come to us. In just give you a little background. If you are know the Summoner Wars, I've been playing that game for like since 2013, and up until now, I'm still playing that game. And Contour is very, I don't know, they're good when it comes to their games. That's why I'm trusting this game. So
도움이
hopefully
필요한가?
this would be gives me a lot of fun and joy. So if you are interested, guys, you can still download the Star Sailors through Google Play Store or Apple Store. This is available through PC, no, through mobiles and tablet. If you wanted to play this on PC, you can download emulator or Google on PC games. That's the one that I'm using with my PC. So that's it for now. I hope that you were gonna play with me with this game and see you on the end. Thank you very much, and just beat me up on my TikTok live. Thank you. Bye bye for now.